broken.
Why is it broken?
Because I have to shave it.
Mara. Hi. Hi.
I was getting my hat to work.
You're getting your hat to work? Oh, that's cute, Maya.
I have to work on my project.
Okay.
My project is broken, all broken. Maybe there's a lot of stuff.
Hey, are you taking everything out of your drawer and putting it on the floor? Don't put everything on the floor.